It's morning time at the Monster Jam garage, and all the monster trucks are sleeping. But now it's time to wake up. Good morning, little earth shaker. How are you this morning?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. Guess what day is today?
What is it?
We're gonna come to my job and I'm gonna show you what I do at work. Are you excited?
Yeah, Daddy, yeah.
All right.
Let's go down this ride.
Let's go.
Now it's your turn.
All right, little earth shaker. We're gonna go to two quarries today. The first one is gonna be a rock quarry, and the second one is gonna be a sand quarry, and I'm gonna show you what all of us do there, and Grandpa will meet us there.
It's like Rock City.
Oh yeah, that's right. All right, let's go.
Hudson, you got a new toy?
Yeah.
You got a new toy? It's a cool matchbox set.
Yeah, it's big.
It's a construction.
Yeah, and it has like this shovel, and this is a big toy.
It's called sand truck. Utility vehicles included. You have a dump truck. You have some kind of excavator, roller. All right, let's take a look.
Okay, but use the scissors. Whoa, I got one.
What is that, Hudson?
What is this?
This is some kind of excavator.
Like a baby car.
What is that? It's some kind of a tow truck. You attach something here, and that's for towing. It's a roller?
Yeah.
It's a roller.
Whoa, this is fun.
This is an excavator with like a long arm, extra long arm.
Yeah.
Is that an excavator?
This is the construction side.
That's a dump truck.
That's fun.
It's pretty cute. It's solid.
Here we are at the big sand quarry. We got all these different construction vehicles doing different jobs.
Whoa, that's a lot of construction vehicles, Daddy.
Yeah, look, there's Grandpa. Say hi to him.
Hi.
Hi, little earth shaker. Can you tell us all of the different stuff that all of these different vehicles do at the quarry, Grandpa? Of course, son. Come here, little earth shaker. I'll show you around.
Okay.
So every morning, all of the dump trucks line up and park over here, and all of the excavators go here and get ready for the day.
Daddy, what's that machine in the back?
At the end of the day, all of the different construction vehicles get cleaned by this machine with water.
Okay, this is full. There.
That is full, I think.
Wow, these monster trucks are so fast than you, Daddy.
You're faster than me? Okay. Oh yeah, this is gonna be really full now.
What? Where are the dump trucks are going, Daddy?
They're taking all of the sand to the construction site where they are going to build something with it. Maybe a building, or a tunnel, or a bridge. And once they get to the construction site, all the sand is dumped. Whoa! Let's do the little one.
Yeah, the little one. Like a baby.
Yeah, like a baby. And now we clean all of the dump trucks.
Okay.
Whoa.
I'm too small for this. I can't do jobs like that.
Yes, you can. We have jobs for everyone like that. Hi, I'm a front steer loader, and look how little I am. I'm almost as big as you are. And we have lots of jobs at the Pebbles site for smaller construction vehicles. Want to come and see?
Yeah, but we're too both tiny.
Yeah, that's right. But I have lots of work to do. Let me go show you. Let's go.
Okay.
Here we are at the Pebble construction site with all of the smaller construction vehicles. Look, we got 2 bulldozers, cement trucks, we have excavators, dump trucks, different tractors, and steamrollers, because I think they're making a road here. So first the bulldozers, they clear the road like that. The cement mixers lay down the cement like that. The steamrollers come through and make the flat road. See, even the little guys have lots of work to do. Look, the little front steer loader is loading the dump truck. Wow. Good job. Who's your favorite? Show me. These are your favorite? Are they gonna get filled with some pebbles?
Yeah. Dad, thanks for taking me to work.
Of course. I hope you had a lot of fun and learned a lot about construction sites.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, there's more new toys coming up. And I'll see you in the next video.